Okay, we're continuing to work with jQuery now. I wanted to cover how to add classes in jQuery, and this is where we were before, basically when we were appending and prepending from the last video. So I've got a lot of videos I'm putting out, so you can watch the whole series if you like. And to add a class in jQuery, we already have the button .click function there, so when you click the button, and I can put li there if I want to put a class on the li, and I would put addClass, and in the next little parentheses you would name the class. So I named mine fonts. So I'm going to put the we use CSS, so I'm going to link the CSS page to my index page there, CSS, and I call the file main.css. You could have called it style.css if you wanted, it's up to you. So now it's linked. And now I already have the CSS file open on the other side. It's already linked. So you call the class by using a dot and the name of the class is fonts. And so I wanted to, on this video, I just made the fonts bigger. So when you click the button, the fonts get bigger. So 40 pixels. So that's how it's going to work. So when you click the button, the class is added. So I'll do a right click and open it up and show you how it's going to work. And click me, and now the fonts are 40 pixels, just like that. And that's the class is added when you click the button. And you can also remove a class. So there's another attribute called removeClass. So there was already a class on there. Okay, so I'm typing out. It's always best practice to type out notes because jQuery, JavaScript can be very confusing to read. So basically, I just put when you click the button, it adds the class, and the class is called fonts. So now we're going to use a removeClass attribute. So instead of add, it's remove. And if there was already a class on the list items, it will remove the class. So let me put a class on there just so when you click it, it can remove, so you can see how it works. So class equals fonts. Well, keep the same name. So now when you click on it, it'll be 40 pixels. Then when you click on it, it should go back to normal text size. Just like that. And I forgot to put it on the bottom row, but I can do that next. Didn't have to, but I just wanted to show you how it looks and just want to be thorough, you know. So let's do that. And I encourage you to make your own videos because being able to teach somebody what you learn is the ultimate way of knowing that you've got it. So now we're removing, it already had a class of 40 pixels, and the removeClass attribute removes it when you click the button. And the last one I wanted to show you was the toggleClass, of course, which is, we've been using that throughout these jQuery series. And now when you click the button, it removes. When you click it again, it puts it back on. And that's how you add classes in jQuery.